Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Chad from CWC Technologies, and I've got an exciting video for you today. We're going to do an unboxing and first impressions of the brand new 2018 MacBook Pro. This is the 15-inch version. This has the brand new Core i7 8th Gen CPU, which is a 6-core processor. Let's find out if it's worth your buying dollars right now. There she is. Yes. Set it aside just 1 second. Standard affair, just USB-C to USB-C. All the basic information. MacBook Pro literature. And come on, Apple. White stickers. Can't get better than white stickers. Fine, whatever. Power adapter. On to the main event. There it is. Let's get that sweet, sweet peel on her. There she is. Now this is something new for the 2018 version. You can see now that you can enable Ask Siri, which is nice. Hey Siri. Go ahead, eat and drink. Don't let me stop you while I'm shooting this video. Now something not new, but I love it, which is the Touch ID. Okay, something new also with the 2018 version is now we have True Tone display. So you can see there that it's slightly changing the tone depending on the lighting in your room. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button. I'm going to have a lot more information in the full review. These are the specs on this specific model. This year they included the same 4 USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports. I wish they would have added an SD card reader, but I guess we're still going to live that dongle life. The trackpad is still the same, so as some of you may or may not know, they had issues where if the dust got inside of the keyboard that it would actually cause serious problems, but they've fixed that. So all Apple did was announce that the keyboards sound different, but they actually added a dust membrane in underneath the keyboard so that dust doesn't get in there and stop the keys from depressing. We found this out when iFixit did a tear apart of the system and found that. So you can see here that your Blackmagic disk speeds, read and writes are extremely high. Your writes are over 1500 and your reads are over 2600. And your Geekbench scores for your single core is over 5,000 and multi-core is over 2,100. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked that. Make sure to leave any comments down below if you have any questions for the full review, where I'll also discuss the True Tone display in full detail and the speaker system. So thank you guys so much. Make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.